how to take a picture with backdrop effects on the Samsung Galaxy S25 camera. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, at the bottom here, you want to select Portrait. Then we go to the top corner here and tap on the Effects button. At the top here, swipe across and select Backdrop. And then down here, you can select the effect strength. Now you need to position the face in the circle for this to work. So in this case, I'm going to switch to the front camera. So to use backdrop, we select backdrop and then choose the effect strength. And simply point your face in the camera and then tap on the shoot button. Now just wait for a few seconds for the effect to apply to the picture here. And you can see it will replace the background with a backdrop color. So here, if I go into backdrop, so this one here will allow me to increase the brightness. I'm trying to see if I can change the backdrop colors. It doesn't look like there is an option for me to change the backdrop color. So I'll just go into the circle. So I can change the brightness, but not the color of the backdrop or the background. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.